वेलकम टू एसआर टेक्नोलॉजी। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं हाउ टू यूज़ डॉक स्कैनर ऐप, जिससे कि आप अपने कोई भी हैंड रिटन चीज़ को स्कैन करके ऑनलाइन किसी को भी कभी भी भेज सकते हो। सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगनिंग, ओपनिंग द ऐप एंड टैप ऑन द कैमरा आइकन ऑन द लोअर राइट हैंड. Here comes up our camera. So to bring up a clear focused picture, we need to tap on it once. So when we tapped on it, it locked its focus. So now we are all ready to capture it. So the picture got captured. Now we need to adjust our required space to which we need to scan it. So I have adjusted, as you can see. Now I have to tap on continue. So in the left corner there would be the preview of the captured pictures. So tapping on it, we can see the preview. So here is it. If we want to edit it, we may edit it by tapping on the edit option in the down, and here comes our raw picture. So if we want to take the entire space, we can adjust it accordingly, but if we are okay with it, we can simply tap next or the arrow option, and here it is. Now we can adjust the brightness, highlights and many more, but I prefer all of you to adjust directly by color filters. So tap on the blue linked color filter. Here we would see many previews, detailing and others. So I prefer either color 1 or color or OCV color. So according to your data, the different values would get auto corrected. So if you are writing with a blue pen, then OCV color is best, and if you are writing with black pen, then tap on color. That's it. Then tap on right again. Now we have to tap back. So here it is done. Now we have to click on the right arrow, then it would load our picture, document editor, and aside that we have to press again right. Then if we want to share it, I suggest all of you to share it directly to any of your contact, and if you are given with some specified name of the document to be mentioned, then you can adjust it on that top heading, as here it is written new doc 04 July 2021 12.44 pm. Tap on the edit option. So you can simply erase it and name it as any of your required name. So I am naming it as new document. Press on OK. Then simple share. So now you can share it to anyone using WhatsApp or Gmail, or you can even share it to any other devices without any email by Bluetooth, or if you want to save it for your future needs, you can also save it to Drive. So well, this is all upon how to upload your video. Hope this might help you. Stay tuned for more such informative contents.